Sorry, I couldn't attend the online class. My phone's battery died. I'll be late. I'm stuck in the traffic. These statements are not necessarily always true, and we don't usually prefer calling them lies. We somehow convince ourselves that we're just twisting and turning the facts. On the other hand, when someone else twists and turns these facts, we feel as if we're being lied to. Isn't twisting and turning the facts same as twisting and turning the truth? And isn't that what we call lying? We all know lying is wrong, but that doesn't stop us from lying, does it? Most of us become adept at lying, be it something small or big. With ease, we lie to our parents, peers, relatives, and friends. I remember reading an article from nationalgeographic.com that clearly stated our capacity for dishonesty is as fundamental to us as our need to trust others, which ironically makes us terrible at detecting lies. Being deceitful is woven into our very fabric, so much that it would be truthful to say that to lie is human. Researchers speculate that a tendency for deceiving others and a vulnerability to being deceived are mainly consequential in the age of social media. As a matter of fact, we hear about 10 to 200 lies a day. Ever wondered why do we lie? What is it that makes us lie? Well, we lie to paint better pictures of ourselves, to cover up our bad behavior, to hide our inadequacies, to protect ourselves, to protect others, and the list goes on. Everybody lies. Some of us lie frequently, while others lie rarely. Speaking for myself, I would say I am a frequent liar. I lie almost every day. Nothing to be proud of, I know, but I'm being honest, so it kind of counts. But I never forget my lies. And I also carry a little guilt for lying. But it doesn't stop me. What happens sometimes is I find myself overthinking and creating hundreds and thousands of fake scenarios that probably won't ever happen. So basically, what I do is I get caught up in a web or a vicious cycle of my own fiction thoughts. And how does that happen? Let me tell you. Lying is like a reflex action for us because we tend to take the easy way out, not realizing at the time that it actually isn't a way out at all. And while we're lying to get out of a situation, it never occurs to us that we'll have to lie again to cover up our first lie. We tell lies because we care about our reputation. We care about what others will or do think of us. And it kind of makes sense. Telling lies helps us conceal the bad news and hide all the negative reactions and avoid all the negative reactions from others, which is a really good thing. But in the short run, in the long run, reality often hits us like a truck and we understand how foolish we were. I'll tell you something that I actually faced myself. I delayed the submission of this talk 3 months. While delaying the submission, some reasons were genuine, but to be very honest, I was simply procrastinating most of the time. And I feel guilty for that too. I did mention I never forget my lies. Maybe if we look at it, it's because every lie brings its own share of guilt along with it. And it's not easy to get over guilt. But the sad part is, when I look back and analyze my lies, most of the time, I don't find them worth it. Okay, so since we're being this much honest today, I do need to tell you that lying is inevitable and everybody lies. I can't convince anybody to stop lying, not even myself. But I do need to tell you that we can avoid it as much as possible because someone always catches our lies and the truth comes out and our loved ones are bound to get hurt. And even if you're an excellent liar like me, it adds up to your karma. And okay, you might not believe in karma, but we reap what we sow, right? All I want is for you to pause in the middle of this reflex because let's face it, it isn't so much like a reflex. We obviously think before we lie. And ask yourselves that is it even worth it? This brings us to my favorite part of the talk, the end. Not just because I'm relieved after confessing one of my most recent lies, but also because I can thank all of you for being such an amazing audience. Oh, after saying it, I feel like it sounds a little too cheesy. But this too may be a lie. Ironic, isn't it? And just kidding, it's not a lie. Whatever, you'll never know. Thank you.